What are the consequences of not replacing a catalytic converter?
Hello everyone, welcome to our video. Today we're going to talk about a critical part of your vehicle's exhaust system, the catalytic converter, and what happens if you choose to ignore its replacement when it's due. You might be surprised to learn how this small component can have substantial impacts on your vehicle and environment.
What is a catalytic converter?
A catalytic converter is a device incorporated into your vehicle's exhaust system. It plays a pivotal role in converting harmful gases into less harmful byproducts before they're released into the environment. These gases include carbon monoxide, nitrogen oxides, and hydrocarbons, which are all hazardous to health and contribute to air pollution.
What happens if you don't replace a bad catalytic converter?
Ignoring a malfunctioning catalytic converter can lead to several unwanted consequences. Decreased performance and efficiency. When the catalytic converter isn't working correctly, your vehicle's performance and efficiency can suffer significantly. Poor fuel efficiency, reduced acceleration, and engine misfires are some of the symptoms. Over time, these can also lead to more substantial engine problems. Environmental impact. One of the primary purposes of a catalytic converter is to reduce harmful emissions. When it's not functioning, these harmful gases are released directly into the atmosphere, contributing to air pollution and global warming. Therefore, not replacing a faulty catalytic converter negatively impacts the environment. Legal issues. In many countries, it's illegal to operate a vehicle with a faulty catalytic converter. You could face hefty fines, and your vehicle might fail the emission test required for registration renewal.
Can a bad catalytic converter damage your vehicle?
Yes, it can. When the converter fails, it can lead to a clogged exhaust system. This blockage puts a lot of pressure on your engine, causing severe engine damage. It could even result in engine shutdown, potentially leaving you stranded at the side of the road. We hope this video has helped you understand why you shouldn't ignore a faulty catalytic converter. Its role in maintaining your vehicle's performance, protecting the environment, and keeping you on the right side of the law is invaluable. So the next time you're tempted to delay its replacement, remember the significant risks you're taking with your vehicle, the environment, and potentially your wallet. Thanks for watching, and drive safely.